Good morning, students. I hope all of you are safe at home, and we are going to study today math subject, and the topic is angles and its types. Let's see what do you mean by angle. It is a figure that is formed from two lines that meet at a common place. What does it mean? Means two lines, any two lines like this, one center point is there. It can be like this, means two lines are meeting one and two line, then it will make a angle. Otherwise two lines like this, one and two lines, it will also make a angle. Or it will be like this, two lines making an angle. It is also called as angle. Let's see again the definition. It is a figure that is formed from two lines that meet at a common place. Means दो लाइन जो रहती है एक कॉमन सेंटर पे मिलती है, उसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एंगल्स बोलते हैं. Now we will see how many types of angles are there. See, the first one is a right angle. As you can see here, this is a right angle. What does it mean? An angle which is equal to 90 degree is called as a right angle. Means 90 degree जो फॉर्म करता है वो एंगल कौन सा होता है? राइट एंगल होता है. 90 degree. It will be straight like this. You can see this. It is a right angle. It is a 90 degree. It is of 90 degree. Okay. Now we will see how to write name of this angle. We will write name of the angle as A, B and C. जो एंगल है उसको बीच में रखना है हमेशा लिखते वक्त, ध्यान में रखो. A, B, C. एंगल A, B, C. This is a right angle and it is of a 90 degree. इसमें हम लोग और भी एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं. जैसे राइट एंगल में इफ वी टेक अ एग्जाम्पल देन it is like square. When we make a square, you see this square. The four sides are of 90 degree. That's why ये सारे एंगल्स जो है वो 90 डिग्री के हैं, तो वो सब क्या हो जाएंगे? राइट एंगल. अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज अ रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल आप लोग ने देखा होगा, उसका भी फोर साइड्स सारे 90 डिग्रीज होते हैं, तो ये भी एक राइट एंगल है. नाउ वी विल सी द सेकेंड वन, दैट इज acute angle. Acute angle, an angle which is less than 90 degree is called as a acute angle. Less than 90 degree. 90 degree आप लोग ने देखा, इधर देखो ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है, और acute angle जो है वो बेंड हो जा रहा है, मतलब उसके बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है वो कम हो जा रहा है. आपने देखा होगा यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस ज्यादा है और यहाँ पे क्या है? कम है. If it is less distance then it will be an acute angle. तो क्या हो जाएगा? acute angle हो जाएगा जो 90 डिग्री से कम है. तो name of the angle we are going to write. Name of the angle is, फिर से देखेंगे, मैंने बोला था मिडल में आना चाहिए जो एंगल है वो P Q R. एंगल P Q R. For an acute angle, from acute angle we can make a triangle. Triangle आपको मालूम है ऐसे बनता है, just like this. Then it is an acute angle. This is also an acute angle. This is also an acute angle. तो triangle जो है वो एक acute angle से बनता है. Now we will move on to obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, an angle which is more than 90 degree is called as an obtuse angle. अभी 90 डिग्री से ये ज़्यादा है, जैसे आप लोग देखोगे, हम लोग ने राइट एंगल में देखा था, स्ट्रेट लाइन था, तो ये 90 डिग्री था, तो 90 डिग्री से ये ज़्यादा है, इट इज़ मोर देन द 90 डिग्री, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज एन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. ओके, नेम ऑफ द एंगल इज एंगल LMN. इसमें क्या दो एग्जाम्पल? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ बोट is like this. Okay, then this angle of boat is also called as an obtuse angle. ये बोर्ड को आप लोग देखोगे तो इस तरफ से भी अगर आप देखोगे तो ये भी 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा है, और इस तरफ से देखोगे तो भी 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा है, तो इट विल बी अ ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. और वन मोर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन गिव, अ रूफ ऑफ अ हाउस. व्हेन वी ड्रॉ अ हाउस लाइक दिस, okay, then it will be an obtuse angle, right? And this one is a right angle, you can see that. Okay, now let's move on to straight angle. Straight angle, an angle which is exactly of 180 degree is called as a straight angle. Means it is a straight, मैंने आप लोग बताया जैसे स्टार्टिंग में ये सीधा लाइन है, यहाँ पे दो लाइन मिल रही है, तो ये जो एरिया है दैट इज ऑफ 180 डिग्री. जो 180 डिग्री एग्जैक्ट है वही स्ट्रेट एंगल कहा जाता है. नाउ यू आर सीइंग व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एंगल्स एंड ऑल द टाइप्स ऑफ द एंगल्स. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इन अ सिंपल वे दैट राइट एंगल मीन्स a straight hand, just like you put like this, it is a right angle because it is a 90 degree, right? Then if the distance between two hands is less, देखो मैंने कम कर दिया है दोनों के बीच में distance, then it will be an acute angle. And if I will put my hand like this, then it will be a more distance between my palm and my hand. Then you can see it is an obtuse angle. Or if I will put my hands like this, this is straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degree. तो आपको समझ में आया होगा जो एंगल किसको बोलते हैं, जब दो लाइन मिलती है एक कॉमन प्लेस पे, उसको हम लोग एंगल्स बोलते हैं. राइट एंगल मीन्स इट्स ऑफ 90 डिग्री एंड acute angle means less than 90 degree, and obtuse angle means more than 90 degree, it's called an obtuse angle. Then a straight line that is of 180 degree is called as a straight angle. Students, as you can see, it is a clock. From clock we are going to study about these angles. You can see if the minute hand and our hand is between 3 and 9, then it will be a straight angle, that is 180 degree. You can see that between 3 and 9. If I will put this hand between 3 and 12 like this, then it will form a 90 degree. Okay, and if I put like this between 9 and 12, then also it will become a right angle. 9 and 3. Here 9 and 12 is also right angle. Okay. Now if the distance is less between them, you just see our hand is on 3 and it is on 2. Which angle it is? You can see the distance between two hands is less. That's why it will be an acute angle. कम distance होता है तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Acute angle. If I will put this minute hand to the 10, you can see the distance is increased between two hands. दो hands के बीच में distance बढ़ गया है. तो डिस्टेंस बढ़ जाएगा तो कौन सा एंगल हो जाएगा? देन इट विल बी एन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. फ्रॉम दिस क्लॉक we studied about different type of angles, that is 180 degree, 90 degree, acute, obtuse, all the angles we are studying today. Students, now you can see one house is there here, and I am going to explain you different type of angles from it. You just see carefully. Here you can see the distance between two hands are more, that's why it is an obtuse angle. Just like this, here also the distance is more between two lines, that's why it is also an obtuse angle. Okay, then here you can see the distance between two lines is less. Here this side also the distance between two lines is less, that's why it is called as an acute angle. This one is also an acute angle, this one is also an acute angle. Now here you can see this one and this one, it is of 90 degree. 90 degree, 90 degree means you know it very well, it is an right angle. Okay, just like that, here rectangle is there, it is also of 90 degree, that's why it is also a right angle. Here you can see this one, G to I and I to H. This point is very straight, then it is a straight angle, means it is of 180 degree. Here I have given names of the angles here. Now you have to find out the names which are there. Just like that, you have to write name of the angles, and write all the angles. You have to write all the angles and you have to write which angle it is. If it is right angle, then you have to write a right angle. If it is an acute, then write acute angle. I will show you one of this. You can see here DAB is an obtuse angle. Then I am going to write angle DAB. Then I will write obtuse angle. Just like that, you have to write all the angles and describe it. Okay, this is your homework for today. All of you have to write all the definitions I have given in this video, and after that definition you have to do this homework. Thank you so much, children.